Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and this is Derinscorner. On today's episode of Derinscorner, we're going to be making this party fried rice. So this fried rice is so delicious and so easy to make. But before we go into the main recipe for today, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, which is that button you're going to be seeing on your screen. And please don't forget to also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Let's get into the list of ingredients. So for the authentic fried rice, which is the party fried rice, we're going to be using this long grain rice. So it's actually the long grain parboiled rice, and you can get it in any store or you can get it in your local supermarket. So that's the rice I'm using for this recipe for today, and we're not using the Basmati rice because this is the original Nigerian party fried rice. So first and foremost, we're going to start by putting in a pot a beef stock or your broth, and then into that you're going to be adding in your turmeric and curry powder to give it that yellowish look that a typical party fried rice would look like. So I'm going to be adding that into the stock, and then I'm going to also be adding my seasoning cube. I'm going to be adding my thyme, my other seasoning. So I'm just going to give this a stir, and I just want the seasoning cube to dissolve properly because I want to have a tasty fried rice, and it's important that all my seasoning as well as my spices thoroughly dissolves into the broth. So the next thing would be to add in my washed long grain parboiled rice, and then I'm going to just give this a gentle stir, and I'll also be adding in my salt at this stage. This is to season the rice, and then I'm going to leave this to cook for about 30 minutes. You don't want it to overcook, you just want it to cook till it's a little bit soft. So after 30 minutes, my rice is all done. You can see the color that we're able to get from the turmeric and the curry powder that we've used. So I'm just going to set this aside, and then I'm going to start frying my hot dog, my liver, my shrimp, and my veggies. It's important that you fry this before you add in the rice because it's called fried rice for a reason, and you're going to be frying your rice here. I don't know why people do the other way whereby they add in the veggies while the rice is cooking, but if you want a typical fried rice, then you need to fry your rice to get that fried rice taste. So I'm going to be adding in some seasoning to season my veggies because you also want your veggies to be properly seasoned. You've seasoned your rice. It's important that the oil that the rice is going to be added to is also properly seasoned, as well as your veggies, to get that taste of the fried rice. So I'm all done with the veggies frying process. You can see the look of my veggies as well as my protein, and I'm ready to add in my cooked rice now. So in goes my rice, and I'm gonna just be mixing this together, and this is where the fried rice comes from, because you're going to be frying your rice by mixing in the rice and the veggies that you had sauteed. So I'm just going to turn this and incorporate the veggie mixture or my protein mixture into the rice, and that's it, guys. You have your fried rice. So that's it, guys. My party Nigerian fried rice is ready. So I'm just gonna be dishing this now into my serving bowl, and this is what the finished look should look like. The grains should still be intact. It should still be individual grains, and it shouldn't be soggy, and it should have this bright yellow color that works well with turmeric and curry. And that's how to get that perfect color. And of course, because I use the jumbo shrimps, it really stands out. So yeah, I use a mixture of jumbo and the normal shrimp. And this rice, I prefer to use the parboiled rice because of this. It gives it that classic Nigerian party fried rice look. And that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section so I know that you watched my video. Thank you so much, and bon appetit.